Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but here I am. I know I always say I will post more this time and then disappear for like a year. But not this time. I have several things I want to share, so stay tuned. Watch this mini vlog as I share how we decided to start a small garden, DIY a mirror, and some more random stuff.
There they are.
We're gonna attempt to grow some thingies in this pizza box. By the way, it's like 90 degrees outside with like the warning of the what did it say? It was a warning of
Extreme heat.
extreme heat.
That dirt. About way too much dirt. We have the seed. This is for a lot of seeds.
How many does it say per?
Plant spacing. Plant to
Doing, what's the worst that can happen?
We're gonna, in case those fail, we try again.
Okay. How many did you put in?
Two, so 4 seeds for 2 possible stems.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
So it has to be like fully wet, like muddy.
Oh, hasta donde ya no chupe agua.
Right.
It's so fucking hot out here.
What are these for? So when they grow bigger, we just plant them in there?
Yeah.
Yo pensé que los ibas a poner ahí.
No, es mucho espacio.
Okay.
Se mueren.
Yeah, just use that para que no lo mojes tanto entonces. Our failed attempt with the avocado.
Well, they weren't failed. We just had to open it up and clean it.
Do they still work though?
If there's a seed in here, it still works. There's a wasp nest up there.
Yeah. Probably over there because I seen them over there.
Yep. Now this, we need the... How many seeds for how much?
It says slowly, directly full sun charge. For best results, plant in rows 12 inches apart. Thin plants 4 to 6 inches apart when 2 inches tall. Plant in rows 12 inches apart. Doesn't say depth 1/4 of an inch. Spacing 15 centimeters. Excuse me.
¿Cuántas
Yeah.
seed only or how many?
No, it just says depth 1/4 and then spacing. Oh. Ooh. Why are those so big? I don't get it. And then the pepper ones were tiny.
Yeah.
Get them in there. Yeah.
Oh shit. Ah, fuck it.
For better results, look it up.
Yeah.
I actually got these, so we're gonna just put them in a little. Yeah, hopefully you can keep them alive this time. There's a little pot, it's tiny. Cute. So I think that's peppers, this is cilantro, and this is the tomatoes, okay? So I think, I don't know, we'll see when they grow. This is the mirror we found in a garage sale, or I can't remember, but I like the way that it had like little waves. Some boys take a beautiful girl in hand.
Dude, where did you want to go?
Let's try some cookies out. Some boys take a beautiful girl in hand. Rest of them. Here's my haul for the day, okay? Little mini sketchbook. A gel pack. It's a dumpling, I think. Yoga mat. My brother got a scale.
Without batteries.
Without batteries. Here's a crumble cookie. So good.
Let me try.
Best cookie.
It's good. With chocolate.
Yeah, but I like vanilla. Thank you for watching. Bye.